So let's find the missing lengths of these triangles, the missing dimensions. So let's use this. I can use either formula. I'll use this one first and then I'll repeat solutions using the other formula. So for the first one, let's go with A equals 1/2 the base times the height. Substitute in what we know. So we know the area, that's 10. Half stays the same. Base is 4 and the height is x. So 10 equals 1/2 times 4, which is 2, times x is 2x. Okay, so now I can solve from here. I divide by 2 because this is multiplied by 2, so that cancels out. I'm left with x, and 10 divided by 2 is 5, and so x equals 5 centimeters. Over here, let's try this one. So area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. I'm given the area, so it's 12 equals 1/2. The base is x and the height is 3. So 12 equals 1/2 times, well, x you can't do, but 1/2 times 3 you can. That's 1.5 times x is 1.5x. So now I can cancel out 1.5. And I do the same to both sides, so I'm dividing by 1.5. That cancels out timesing by 1.5. I'm left with x on this side, and on this side, 12 divided by 1.5 is, I use my calculator, 12 divided by 1.5 equals 8. So according to my calculator, it's 8. And so x is equal to 8 units of measurement, centimeters. So that's the length of that side. And on this side, I've got area equals 1/2 the base times the height. So I've got the area, so it's 28 equals 1/2 x, and 7 is the height. So the next line is 28 equals 1/2 times x, can't do. 1/2 times 7 is 3.5 times x is 3.5. Okay, so there we go. Now I've got 3.5 times x, so I do the opposite of timesing by 3.5. I divide by 3.5, and so that cancels out. On the right hand side, I'm left with the x, and on the left hand side, it's 28. So 28 divided by 3.5, and that equals 8. And so x equals 8 centimeters. Okay, so I could use the other formula, which is area equals base times height divided by 2. So for example, I can substitute in, so it's going to be 10 equals, the base is 4, the height I don't know, and I divide by 2, right? Now, I need to cancel dividing by 2, so I do the opposite, do the same to both sides. This cancels out. On the right-hand side, I've got 4x left. On the left-hand side, 10 times 2 is 20. I do the opposite of timesing by 4, so I divide by 4 on both sides. This cancels out. X equals 5. So x equals 5 centimeters, and that's what I got below, so that must be correct, and that must be correct. If I go here, let's go with area equals base times height divided by 2. So area, I've got the area, sorry. So I go 12 equals the base, which is x, I've got the height, which is 3, and I would divide that by 2. So get rid of dividing by 2 by multiplying by 2, do the same to both sides, that cancels out. On this side I'm left with 3 times x, which is 3x, and 12 times 2 is 24. I'm nearly at the end, so I just divide by 3 to cancel out timesing by 3. So that makes that x is left on the right, and on the left I've got 24 divided by 3 is 8. So x equals 8 centimeters, and that is what I got before, so that must be right as well. And for this one is area equals base times height divided by 2. I know what the area is, it's 28, so I can substitute. Base is x, height is 7, and I have to divide that by 2. So 28 equals, before I can do that, sorry. So I need to cancel dividing by 2, I times by 2. So do the same to both sides. This cancels out because divided by 2 times by 2 cancels. X times 7 is 7x. 28 times 2 is 56. Times by 7, I divide by 7 to cancel it out. Divide by 7 on both sides to keep the whole equation balanced. That cancels. I'm left with x. X equals 56 divided by 7, which is 8. So x equals 8 centimeters. And that's the same as what I had here. So those are correct as well.